Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will cook absolutely delicious and moist banana bread. For this recipe we will need a few simple ingredients: 2 to 3 medium-sized ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 113 grams of butter, 200 grams of flour, 130 grams of brown sugar, 80 grams of sour cream, half of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start by mashing 2 to 3 very ripe bananas. Now let's combine 200 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half of the teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt in a bowl, then whisk together and set aside. Now let's cream together 113 grams of butter and 130 grams of brown sugar. Mix until well combined and lighter in color, about 3 minutes. Now it's time to mix in 2 eggs one at a time and then beat in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix until combined. Beat in 80 grams of sour cream, mashed bananas, and then add the dry ingredients and fold together until just combined. Do not overmix. On this stage you can fold in nuts and raisins if using. And finally, transfer butter into your prepared loaf pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. And this is it, our perfect banana bread is ready. Bon appetit!